Since the official release of the first ever Tesla car in June 2010, these electric cars have entirely revolutionized the industry. Founded in 2003, the real mission is to introduce electric vehicles was to eliminate the global emission of pollutants produced by fuel burning. For this purpose, Elon Musk and his engineers worked very hard for years, and finally, they launched the first ever Tesla car in 2010. In an interview, the CEO, Elon Musk, said, "People considered Tesla as an electric car company, but our main purpose was to speed up the impression of sustainable energy." Till now, the company has crossed the 620 miles traveling range on a single charge. All this has been possible with the use of some top-notch batteries, and these features have taken Tesla to receive much attention in every corner of the world. These cars are environment-friendly, high-performing, and super luxurious. Even in 2013, the Tesla Model S won the Motor Trend Car of the Year award. Here the question that arises in everyone's mind: how does a Tesla car actually work? Well, there are many things to understand the working strategy. In this video, we'll explain the complete working phenomenon of Tesla cars and their futuristic approach. The company started with Tesla Roadster, and now they're building their worth by introducing Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and Cybertruck, etc. So without further ado, let's get into the details. Battery performance and recharging. The performance of an electric car is entirely dependent upon its battery life. If the battery is robust and delivers sufficient energy, it will enhance the car's overall efficiency. The batteries used in the Tesla car are lithium-ion batteries and can be charged by electricity, thus providing the car's juice to run for a specific mileage. These batteries are very similar to those we use in our smartphones and laptops. There are thousands of lithium-ion cells connected to make a high-duty battery. We all know that lithium-ion batteries weigh a lot, so a Tesla's car battery weighs several pounds. The company guarantees these batteries' life and performance. That's why all batteries are manufactured at the headquarters of Tesla. You might be thinking that how these batteries work in icy areas. Well, all the batteries come with a built-in heating system that would help people start their cars under icy environmental conditions. Because of this advanced technology, they don't need to worry about the battery's performance whenever purchasing a Tesla car. With single recharging, you might get hundreds of kilometers of mileage. In case the battery level gets down, you'll have to get it recharged from the official charging points. The process of recharging a Tesla battery is very similar to our daily life cycle, where we charge our smartphones and electric gadgets. These batteries are quite different from the conventional battery setups installed in other hybrid cars such as Toyota Prius. In hybrid vehicles, the battery is recharged using hydrocarbon fuel to meet the energy demands. But in Tesla, you'll have to recharge it manually from your home or charging outlets. You may acquire assistance from a professional to install a simple charging station at your home. In case you can't afford a proper station, you can connect your car with a 100-volt supply to get it charged. The company is already working to install hundreds of new supercharging stations to meet its users' requirements. People can recharge battery from these supercharging stations in just 30 minutes without paying a single penny. So this battery setup range has helped Tesla maintain its grip on the electrical vehicle market at nearly 60%. Engine and working. Although all the Tesla cars are equipped with a small engine that is more likely to be called a motor and about a watermelon size. Like most of the engines require pistons, rods, and crankshafts, in the case of Tesla, these motors perform very well when we talk about efficiency. The only moving piece in a motor is its rotor, and it doesn't have to deal with the conversion of energy. And there's no combustion involved, so there will be no energy loss in terms of sound and heat. It permits the motor to harness more of the energy generated efficiently and is able to directly convert it into motion. An electric motor has high torque at 0 RPM and supplies almost continuous torque up to 6,000 RPM and remains to deliver high power beyond 13,000 RPM. So the performance is awe-inspiring compared to other hefty rivals, and it is one of the hottest inventions in electronic engineering. It converts electrical energy drawn from the batteries to mechanical power to move the vehicle. This is a more efficient technology when compared to the combustion engines that you can find on classic cars. In other words, people who drive Tesla cars will get a longer range from their charge, which can help them save money in the long run. Cruise control and safety. People are still confused about its traveling strategy, that how this car performs so well on autopilot. Well, to do so, the highly efficient forward-facing cameras are completely synchronized with the radar. When the radar detects something ahead, it automatically delivers the message to the car's auto system, and as a result, it slows down. This feature allows the vehicle to maintain a safe distance between two cars and eventually provides you complete safety. The space between the cars is subjected to the speed of both vehicles, so if a car enters into your lane, the Tesla will automatically monitor it and reduce its speed. In other words, the Tesla will not dread and slam on the brakes if a car merges into your lane and accelerates. The working of autopilot is being improved every day, and for this, the company uses different types of AI modes and sensors to detect how a driver manages his car. The auto steer function lets Tesla stay aligned in a lane, change lanes, and self-park. For this purpose, the side cameras support the vehicle and provide accurate information to improve autopilot functioning. For the Tesla to change lanes, the driver manually indicates the turn signal, and then the sensors prevent the Tesla from merging into other cars. When it comes to auto parking, in parallel and perpendicular positions, the car uses both the sensors and cameras to avoid thrashing any surroundings. On bumpy and complex roads, the autopilot's efficiency is low, as the radar system isn't so much advanced to detect traffic in such areas. Similarly, this feature doesn't work well when the speed of the car is below 20 miles per hour. So in residential areas, the driver needs to pay attention to the steering. Otherwise, the car will eventually stop if it won't sense the driver's hand on the steering wheel. In this short but successful journey over 13 years, Tesla Motors has entirely altered the game. They are flagging the way for electrical vehicles to become the protruding type of vehicle on the roads today. If you're looking for an energy-efficient and environment-friendly vehicle, the Tesla cars have already set a roadmap for you where you can choose any model according to your budget and requirements.